reports 'no, AI kaagad. Ayan siya 'di ba? Hahanap kaagad ng AI. So again po, tandaan po ha, oldest to the newest. Tandaan po, steam engine, electricity, computer, artificial intelligence. Pero what if, kasi minsan binabago-bago is ito kasi ng ano ng board 'no, yung question. So what if yung sabihin sa board, sa exam ninyo, newest to the oldest. So unahin lang po artificial intelligence, followed by computer, followed by electricity, and then steam engine, 'pag newest to the oldest. Pero kung oldest to the newest, yan po yung tamang sagot. That's letter A. Tandaan po, letter A. Okay, sige. Proceed tayo with the next question. Okay. Mirage is optical illusion caused by blank. Okay, mirage is optical illusion caused by blank. Is it letter A, optical focus, letter B, combustion, letter C, electrolyte, letter D, cellular reaction? Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Wow, confident na confident po talaga sila. Letter A pa talaga ang sagot dito, no? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po dito sa comment box. Again po, gising-gising po everyone, mga LPTs natin 'no, ngayong September 2024, ayan siya. Paki-comment daw po ng inyong mga sagot, okey. Ayan, letter A, letter A, letter A, letter A, okey, ang tamang sagot dito letter A ba oy, may nag-letter B, may nag-letter B. Oy, A, sure ma'am, oh, sure na sure talaga. May nag-letter B. Okey, okey. Sige pa-comment pa daw po, pa-comment pa daw po. A, okey. Ayan, 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 sige. May nakita kasi ako kanina nag-letter B, okey. Sige, A, pa-comment pa po. Ayan, kasi marami tayong viewers ngayon, we have 75 viewers. Ayan, expected ko na marami talagang mag-comment 'no. Ayan siya kasi of course we are here to learn. So dapat mag-ano talaga, engage po talaga sa ating session. Ah, again, mag-participate po. Ayan, letter A, sige. Okay. Again, Mirage 'no, ano pala yung Mirage? Okay, explain so, is illusion caused. And then of course, yung product niyan usually is the water and the carbon dioxide. Ayan siya sa combustion. Hindi din po electrolyte. Usually electrolyte makikita po yun siya sa body natin 'no, like for example, the salt, the potassium, the calcium, mga electrolyte po yan siya. Ang mirage hindi din po siya cellular reaction 'no. Tandaan wala namang hindi naman yan siya something to do with the cellular activity, yung sa cells 'no. So din po yung letter D. So ayan, ang sagot po natin dito, that's letter A. Tandaan, letter A, optical focus. Sa mata po natin yan siya. So ito po 'no, this is actually the illustration po. Yung mirage po kasi, it's actually an optical illusion caused by the layers of air po. Kaya po 'di ba parang yung tingin natin, for example here, akala natin it's a puddle of water where in fact it's just a reflection of the sky, 'no? Akala natin water siya, 'no? Yun pala reflection ng sky lang siya. It's because of the layers of the air din po. And of course, kasali din po yung refraction or yung bending ng light rays. Tandaan po ha, yung cause po ng mirage usually the layers of the air and of course yung yung tawag nito, the refraction or the bending of light. Kaya nga, so example diyan 'no, hmm, reflection of the sky lang po. Akala nila puddle of water na siya, pero it's actually a reflection of the sky. So that's actually optical because of the optical focus sa mata po natin. Optical phenomenon po yan siya. So again, ang isagot po natin dito, tandaan, that's letter A, optical focus. Okay, pa-screenshot po. Again, pa-screenshot po in 3, 2, 1. Alright, sige, proceed po tayo for the next question. Okay, for the next question, ito po yung question natin. The union of an ovum and sperm inside a test tube is blank. Okay. The union of an ovum and sperm inside a test tube is blank. Embryology. Is it letter A, embryology? B, in vivo fertilization? Letter C, pollination? Or letter D, in vitro fertilization? Okay. I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa comment box. Okay. I believe yung iba sa inyo naka-encounter na po ng question na ito. Ayan. Okay. Okay, ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, sige, sige. The union of an ovum, sige letter D, D talaga yung sagot nila. Okay. Ayan, again po sa mga gusto pong mag-dinner, okay po. Well, mag-watch po kayo ng live session natin for tonight. Sige, okay. Proceed po tayo sa ration, 'no. So again, union of an ovum. Ano yung ovum? That's actually the sex cell for the female or tinatawag natin na egg cell, 'no, that's the ovum. And yung sperm naman, of course, that's the gamete or the sex cell po ng male. No, the sperm cell inside a test tube, yung clue po inside a test tube. So pag nagkaroon ng fertilization in the test tube, yung tawag po ng fertilization na yan ay in vitro fertilization. Tandaan, letter D, inside the test tube, in vitro fertilization. So, since ang ovum and sperm, nagkaroon ng fertilization inside the test tube, yung tawag po sa baby na yan, no, ang tawag po sa baby na yan ay test tube baby. Tandaan po, pag product po ng in vitro fertilization, ang tawag po sa baby na yan ay test baby. Okay, test tube baby. Ma'am, ano pala yung in vivo fertilization? Okay, so vivo fertilization naman, that's the union of an ovum and sperm inside the body po, usually sa female, kapag kakaroon ng mga copulation. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng copulation, ma'am? Yung sex. Ayan, siya yung in vivo fertilization. Pero kung inside the test tube po, usually done, no, in the hospital, in the laboratory. So, that's in vitro fertilization po yan siya. Again, in vitro fertilization. So, ano yung tawag sa baby po? No, na product po ng in vitro fertilization, that is test tube baby. So ayan, yung pollination naman sa flowers po yun siya usually, 'di ba? Oo, sa flowers po yan siya. So again po, in vitro fertilization. Okay, proceed po tayo sa next question. The beneficial effect of scientific development on agriculture is blank. Again, the beneficial effect of scientific development on agriculture is blank. Is it letter A? Increased crop yield. Letter B, wetland conservation. Letter C, control of infection. Or letter D, reforestation. Okay, ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers here sa comment box natin. Ayan, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Okay, pa-comment po. Ayan. Okay, may nag-letter C. May letter A. Okay. Sige, ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? May nakita ko may nag-letter uy, may nag-letter D. Okay, sige. May nag-letter C, okay. Letter A, sige pa po, pa-comment pa po ng inyong mga sagot. Okay, pa-comment pa po. Ayan, again po, gising-gising pa mga future LPTs and top-notchers. Wag po kayong matulog, 'no? Ayan. Oo, para po sa license 'no, pilitin po talaga na magdilat po talaga ang ating mga mata, ayan. Sige, okay. Let's have our let's have our rationalization. Okay, may nag-letter D here. Sige, letter D, may nag-letter D, sige. Okay, the beneficial again, yung ano po na yung clue po natin dito, again, sa Gen Ed, importante po talaga na babasahin po talaga yung STEM kasi of course yung clues po sa STEM that will lead us to the correct answer. So, here po the beneficial effect of clue, scientific development on agriculture is blank. So if ever na gagamit po tayo no ng mga new advancements no or mga new developments in cultivating plants no in like for example horticulture or in the agriculture kasi pag agriculture more on sa crops kasi yan, more on sa plants yan siya. So hindi po puwedeng isagot natin yung letter D, reforestation. Although, 'di ba, when we say reforestation kasi itong reforestation medyo ano siya, kung titingnan natin, it has something to do with the ano siya, sa plants pa rin, oo, tapos makatulong pa rin sa environment. But it is not the ano talaga, the effect 'no, of scientific development on agriculture. Lalo na hindi din po yung control of infection. Hindi naman 'no, agriculture tapos infection. Letter B, wetland conservation, po wetland. Di po. So, ang answer po natin dito, tandaan po, that's letter A, increased crop yield. So, syempre, no, paggagamit po ng iba't ibang mga advancements or mga developments in cultivating plants, no, like for example, sa mga horticulture, no, of course, nagkakaroon ng productivity po in terms of crops, no, nagkakaroon ng increased crop yield. So, marami po yung, yung maaani, 'di ba? So, yes. So that's letter A po. Okay, sige po paano po, pa-screenshot po ng sagot natin. Letter A, increase crop yield. Baka lalabas ito eh sa September po. Ayan, so letter A again is 3, 2, 1, go. Ayan. Sige, proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay. Which demonstrates interconnectedness between social and environmental injustices? Okay. Again, which demonstrates interconnectedness between social and environmental injustices? Is it letter A, extinction of rare animal species? Letter B, desertification of verdant regions? Letter C, industrialized countries, toxic waste disposal to poorer countries? Or letter D, temperature warming and rise of sea level? So ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Alright, sige, I will give you 10 seconds po to comment down below your answers. Ayan. Sige. Okay, letter A, D, C. Iba-iba kayo ng answer, no? May nag-letter C, may nag-letter A din po. Okay, sige. Ayan. So, iba-iba talaga ng mga sagot. Diverse. Ayan siya. Okay. Sige, sige. Okay, proceed po tayo. Aalamin natin 'no, kung ano po talaga yung tamang sagot for this question, okay? Ayan. So, tingnan po, basahin po yung ano natin 'no, yung stem po natin demonstrates the interconnectedness between the social and environmental injustices. So, hindi wrong po na isagot natin sa letter A, extinction of rare animal species kasi although it has something to do with the environment kasi 'di ba, na ano, na naapektuhan po yung mga animal species natin. But hindi naman po siya connected with the social, with the society, 'di ba? Yung letter B naman po, desertification of verdant regions, 'di ba? From the yung parang yung greenish na population or greenish na habitat ng mga organisms ay na-desertify na siya or naging desyerto. So, it has only something to do with the environments. Wala naman siyang social impact, right? Yung letter D naman, temperature warming and rise of sea level, wrong din po sa letter D. Kasi nga, wala siyang ano ba, kumbaga wala siyang social impact. So, more on sa environment lang siya. So, isagot po natin dito, kapag na-encounter po ang question na ito, that's letter C, industrialized countries, toxic waste disposal to poorer countries. Usually po, ito mga industrialized countries, ito yung mga malalaking countries, like for example, mga ano ba, mga giant countries like the US, the Canada, mga Europe countries, yan sila, no? Kasi, they are very industrialized kasi marami silang mga factories doon, no, and yung mga waste disposal nila ay napunta doon sa mga poorer countries like for example, the Africa, ayan siya, 'no. So, yung based on this answer natin 'di ba, it has something to do with the social, meron siyang social impact at the same time meron din pong environmental impact. So again, ang isagot po natin dito that is letter C, okay? Letter C po, again tandaan letter C, paki-screenshot po ito in 3, 2, 1. Okay, ayan. Sige, proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay. There are 8 levels in the hierarchy of blank. Ayan. There are 8 levels in the hierarchy of blank. Is it letter A, biology, taxonomy? Letter B, C, anemone? Letter C, plant order? Or letter D, animal kingdom? Alright, sige. Again po, I encourage everyone po na mag-send po ng sagot. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa ating comment box. Ayan. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, sige po, pa-comment pa daw po. Ayan, pa-comment pa ng inyong mga sagot. Ayan. Okay, letter C, may nag-letter A. Ayan, pa-comment pa po. Ano po ang sagot ninyo dito sa next question po natin? Again po, gising-gising po mga future LPTs, no? Bawal po matulog. Ayan, bawal po matulog ha. Dapat talaga dilat na dilat po ang ating mga mata. Kasi what if itong question na ito na ifa-flash ni Ma'am Roshi, ni Coach Roshi ay talagang lalabas ngayong September, alright? No? So dapat talaga dilat na dilat po ang ating mga mata. Ayan. Okay, may nag-letter D. Tapos ha, whenever I explain po yung mga concepts, if ever meron akong i-say na mga clues, paki-jot down po. Paki-jot down po 'yan siya. Oo. Hmm, ayan siya. During nagre-review nga ako dati ano talaga, eh, ano talaga nagsusulat talaga ako para hindi talaga ako makatulog. Ayan siya. So letter D, letter A, ayan sige malalaman po natin ngayon kung ano ba talaga ang tamang sagot. Okay. There are, ang clue po natin, 8 levels in the hierarchy of blank. So of course, 'pag hierarchy po, it has something to do with, of course, we have letter A, biology, taxonomy. Okay, again, biology, taxonomy. Ma'am, ano yung taxonomy? Oh, kasi syempre pag biology, life science yan eh, 'di ba? It's studies about the study about life, 'di ba? Pag biology. But when we say taxonomy, that is actually the classification and naming of organisms, 'di ba? Mm. Classifying, identifying, and naming different organisms, whether plants, whether mga different animals, yan siya. So again po, 8 levels po yan siya. So hindi po si anemone, no? Plant order, hindi din po yan siya. Animal kingdom, hindi din po. Kasi ang animal kingdom at saka plant order, belong po yan siya sa levels po ng taxonomy. Ayan siya. Again po. Tapos ang sea anemone naman is an example of a species po na belong din po sa taxonomy, no? Part din po yan siya ng levels ng taxonomy. So again po, pag 8 levels, we have biology taxonomy. And ito po, yung 8 levels na sinasabi ni ma'am. So we have, oh, ni coach, ni coach. Okay. So we have domain. So para mas mabilis memorize, no? So pwede gamitan ninyo ng ng mnemonics, no? Like for example, dear King Philip came over from Great Spain. So we have domain. Ito po, 8 levels po yan siya. We have domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So we have 8 levels. Tandaan po, we have domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. And among them all, yung pinaka, the largest or the highest sa taxonomy po, we have domain. And yung pinaka-lowest naman, of course, yung species. So for example here, we have the red fox, no? Yung red fox belong po siya sa domain Eukarya, belong po siya sa kingdom Animalia, and belong po siya sa phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Yung order niya is Carnivora. Yung family naman is Canidae. Yung genus naman niya is Vulpes or Vulpes. Ang species naman niya is Vulpes. So yan siya. So yan po. No, example lang po yan siya, yung red fox. So again po, tandaan 8 levels po yung biology taxonomy natin. Of course. And of course, yung father of modern taxonomy natin walang iba kundi si Carolus Linnaeus, our father of taxonomy, father of modern taxonomy. So again po, we have 8 levels: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Ayan. May iba din silang the kids play chess over fine gray sand. Ay, pwede din po yun siya mamayla, no? Ayan. Okay, okay din po yan siya. So, magdepende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto ninyong gamitin na mga mnemonics. Ayan, sige proceed po tayo. Again po ha, biology taxonomy po ang isagot natin dito, okay? Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. What is the main organ for respiration? Okay, again, shanad lang po ito ha. Again, shanad lang po ito. So dapat po talaga memorize po tayo ha. Remembering, recalling. Sige. What is the main organ for respiration? Is it letter A, nose, B, esophagus, C, lungs, D, heart? Pa-comment po ng inyong mga sagot. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers po sa comment box. Alright. Sige. Okay, C. Okay, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Again po, I encourage everyone po na magsagot po talaga sa ating sa ating questions. Alright, sige. Okay, C talaga. Sure na sure talaga yung letter C ninyo. Ayan. Letter C, lungs. Okay, okay. Sige. Okay, pag main organ for respiration, main. Again ha, main organ for respiration, walang iba kundi, tandaan, letter C, lungs. Hindi po letter A, nose. No? Although, ang nose, part siya sa respiratory system. Of course, ang nose. Kasi, that's where, no, naglalabas yung mga yung yung mga gases 'no, like the oxygen, the carbon dioxide, we take in oxygen, we release carbon dioxide. Ayan siya. So sa nose, and in fact yung nose meron po yan made up of meron po yan siyang cilia 'no, that traps the dirt, I mean the dirt. Ayan siya. We also have esophagus. Yung esophagus naman part yan siya ng digestive system, hindi po yan siya part ng respiratory 'no. So again po, yung esophagus 'di ba, nandiyan po yung wave-like contraction na tinatawag natin na peristalsis, okay? Esophagus, nandiyan po 'no, yung wave-like contraction 'no, pero part po yun sa digestive system. Yung heart naman po hindi po yun siya ano sa respiration 'no, ano lang po yan siya, part po yan siya ng cardiovascular or circulatory system. In fact, yung purpose po or yung function po ng heart is to pump blood, ayan. So tandaan po 'pag main organ for respiration, tandaan letter C, lungs. Again, letter C, lungs. Okay? Ayan, sige. Sige, proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay. Sound travels fastest in blank. Okay. Sound travels fastest in blank. Is it letter A, gas, B, liquid, C, solid, D, vacuum? Okay. Kindly comment po ng inyong mga sagot. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers po sa ating comment box. Alright, sound travels fastest in blank. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, letter D. Okay, sound travels fastest in blank. Okay. Pa-comment pa po. How about the others? Ayan, 72 viewers po tayo. May live viewers po tayo. 72 po kayo na nanonood po ngayon ng ating live. Again po, I encourage everyone po na mag-send po ng inyong mga sagot dito sa ano po, sa comment box po para naman meron naman tayong engagement po. Meron naman tayong interaction. Ayan. Letter D. Oh, letter B. Hala, may nag-B. Sure na daw siya sa letter B. Okay, iba-iba ang yung mga sagot, no? Ayan, letter D. Makinig po talaga ha. Again, makinig po talaga ng mabuti sa ating rasyo po ngayon. Okay? Okay, B. Sige pa comment pa po ng inyong mga sagot. Okay, hintayin ko po kayo na mag-comment po ng inyong mga sagot. Okay. D, B, C, alright, sige. Okay. Ano na, go na ma'am. Ano pala ang tamang sagot dito? Okay. So again po, sound. Sound ha. Sound travels fastest in blank. Saan pa nag-travel test daw yung sound? Tandaan po, 'di ba ang sound, sound versus light. So, ano, kalaban natin yung sound versus light, magkalaban yun sila. Magkalaban. When we say sound, 'di ba ang sound, it travels through a medium. So, ginagamitan siya ng medium, 'no? Ginagamitan siya ng medium. Now, therefore, sound travels fastest in not the vacuum, hindi din po liquid, hindi din po gas. Travels fastest po sa letter C, solid. Tandaan po, solid. Kasi 'di ba, sound travels in a medium. So yung medium usually, so in a solid form po 'yan siya. Oo. Pero ano po, sound travels fastest in solid, followed by liquid, and yung last na po diyan is gas. Medyo hindi po maka-travel fastest or faster po yung sound sa gas po natin or sa liquid 'no. Oh, fastest talaga siya sa solid kasi nga yun yung medium na dinadaluyan 'no ng ano, yung dun yung medium, eh. Dun nagta-travel yung sound po. Pero kapag light naman, again, 'pag light naman 'no, 'pag light, it travels fastest in vacuum, 'pag light. Oo, 'pag light tandaan po, vacuum travels fastest in vacuum, followed by gas, followed by liquid, followed by solid. Ayan siya, oo. Mm. Ayan. So, again po, sound travels fastest in solid. Okay, may nag-comment dito si Sir Jansen. Sabi niya, solid has a compact particles which vibration can travels fastest. Yes, very good. Kasi nga, yung sound, of course, it emits vibration, 'di ba? Nag-emit siya ng vibration. And therefore, mas mabilis siya makaka-travel, no, sa solid kasi nga compact yung solid yung compact yung particles ng solid. It also travels in a medium din kasi. Usually in solid. Solid kasi compact particle. So tandaan po, 'pag sound, it travels fastest in solid. Pero kung light naman po, it travels fastest in vacuum. Oh, 'pag light, vacuum. 'Pag ano naman, 'pag sound, solid. Okay. Ayan. So, okay po, pa-screenshot po nito, baka lalabas pa ito. Ayan, pa-screenshot po. Okay. Sige. Okay, sige. Proceed tayo. Okay lang maligwak, 'no? Part of learning po 'yan siya. Sige, proceed pa tayo for the next question. The term that refers to the concept that all species from varied sources, no matter how small, have an important role to play is blank. Okay? Again, the term that refers to the concept that all species from varied sources, no matter how small, have an important role to play is blank. Is it letter A, biodiversity, B, bioscience, C, biodegradability, letter D, agrotechnology? What do you think is the answer for this one? Kindly send your answers po sa comment box. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? All right, we have 83 viewers. Oh, 84 viewers. Hello, hello, good evening po. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Ayan. Okay, pa-comment po ng inyong mga sagot dito sa question na ito. Ano po ang tamang sagot dito? Ayan, letter B. May nag-letter A. Okay, letter A. Okay, malalaman natin kung tama ba talaga yun, no? Sige. Okay. Ayan, letter A. A. Ayan, sige. Okay. Sige, proceed. Okay. I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers sa comment box. Ayan. Medyo na-late yung time. Ayan, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Okay, sige. So for this question, the term that refers to the concept that all species, again, lahat no, ng organisms, species, from varied sources, no matter how small, have an important role to play is blank. So, hindi po pwedeng isagot natin yung letter B, bioscience. When we say bioscience, ano lang yan siya, life science or biology, no? It deals with the, ano na, the study of life, no? So, it encompasses all the study of life. Yun yung bioscience. O, pag biodegradability naman, ito something yun nalata, no? Nalalanta, di ba? So, biodegradability. Sa agrotechnology naman, the use of technology in cultivating plants, no? Or yung sa horticulture. So ang isagot po natin dito, tandaan, 'pag all species from varied sources, from varied, iba-iba, of course, walang iba kundi letter A, biodiversity. Again, letter A, biodiversity. All species from varied sources, that is letter A, biodiversity. So it encompasses the different kinds of organisms, no? Different plants, the different animals, the different microbes, microorganisms, no? Ayan siya. From varied sources. Kasi sa iba't ibang ecosystem or sa iba't ibang habitat nila. So yeah, that's biodiversity. Okay, the variability of species, no? That's letter A, biodiversity. Okay, ayan, sige. Proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay, proceed tayo sa next question. Okay. How about this one? Medyo ano lang ito, medyo easy lang ito. Easy lang ang question na ito. Kasi usually common na ito eh. Okay. A marine mammal that has long ivory tusks and lives in Arctic water is called blank. Okay. A marine mammal that has long ivory tusks and lives in Arctic water is called blank. Is it letter A, seal, B, dolphin, C, walrus, D, bear? Sana lalabas ito sa September, no? Ayan. Okay, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Pa-comment po. Ayan, okay. Letter B, letter C, okay. How about the others? I encourage everyone po na magsagot po sa ating questions. Ayan, okay. Letter C, C, C. Sure na ba talaga ang C? Wala bang mag-dolphin dyan? Wala C, C. Charlie talaga ang sagot nila. Okay, sige. So yung clue po natin, it's a marine mammal that has long ivory tusks and lives in Arctic water. Actually, yung seal at saka dolphin, mga marine mammals yan man sila. However, look at the other clue sa question. Long ivory tusks and lives in Arctic water. Hindi na wala namang tusks yung dolphin, no? Especially yung seal. At saka lalo-lalo na yung bear. Although, di ba, makita yung bear, makita siya hindi siya sa Arctic region, oo. Pero hindi naman siya sa Arctic water nakatira kasi nga marine mammal, eh. So, yung sagot po natin dito, that's letter C, walrus. Again, long ivory tusks, meron siyang long ivory tusks and lives in Arctic water. That is letter C, walrus. Again, letter C, walrus. Ayan, so ito po yung picture ng walrus. Ayan. Pinsan ng seal. Tumpak 'yan, ma'am, letter C, ayan, tama. Oo, letter C po ang isagot natin dito. Again, letter C, walrus baka lalabas, lumabas daw ito sa March 2023 and I think I don't know if na la la lumabas siya last sa March 2024, but sa March 2023 lumabas ito. So again po, letter C po ang isagot natin, letter C, walrus. Ito po yung walrus, okey. Ayan. I-ano muna, stretching muna kayo diyan. Stretch muna para hindi naman makatulog 'no. Yung gusto pong mag-dinner, okey lang po na mag-dinner po kayo while watching our live session, alright? Sige, sige. Lumabas 'to ma'am noong 2022, ayan. Okey. Sige daw po pa-comment daw po sa comment box, LPT ngayong 2024. Sige daw po, manifestation po natin 'yan. Ayan, pa-comment po, LPT ngayong 2024. Pa-comment po dito sa comment box. Gusto kong makita yung energy po na ating mga future LPTs and top notchers ng TCRC. Sige daw po, LPT ngayong 2024. Ayan. Sige daw po, pa-comment po. Ayan, LPT 2024. Ayan, very good, no? Ayan. LPT 2024. Ayan, very good. Yan, manifestations po natin yan, no? Ayan. Sige. Okay, teachers. Ayan. Sige. Ayan, LPT 2024. And ano nga yung gusto natin? Yung goal po natin dito, magto-top. Ayan. So, dapat talaga yung effort talaga sa pag-study, pang top 1 talaga, no? Oo, pang top 1 talaga dapat. Oo. Kasi kahit hindi mag-top, if ever hindi mag-top 1, at least, di ba, kasali pa rin sa list of passers. So, dapat talaga todong-todo ang pag-study. Ayan. Sige, proceed po tayo. Ayan, top notcher. Very good. Yan. Pang top 1 po talaga dapat yung effort po talaga sa pagsa-study. Ayan. Sige. Proceed po tayo sa next question. Ito, for the next question, yeast, which is used in making alcoholic drinks and in helping the dough rise for baking, is a type of blank. Okay? Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Yeast, which is used in making alcoholic drinks and in helping the dough rise for baking, is a type of plant. Is it letter A, amoeba, letter B, fungus, letter C, algae, or letter D, mushroom? What do you think is the answer for this question? Ano kaya? Okay. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa comment box natin. Okay? Ayan, so letter B, 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 B. Alright. Okay, may nakita kasi ako kanina sa previous na mga comments po, letter C ang sagot. Okay, so yeast which is used, ayan, sige po pa-comment pa po. Gusto kong makita yung mga sagot nating mga LPTs and top notchers. Ayan. A. Fungus yan ma'am, ayan. So sure na sure talaga sila 'no, na letter B talaga ang sagot. Okay, sige. Okay, pa-comment pa po, ayan, okay. Okay, so sige, yeast. So ano ba ang yeast? So of course ang yeast 'no, ginagamit siya 'no, for yung sa 'pag mag-bake po tayo during baking, 'di ba? Oh. Pampatubo yan siya ng mga tinapay, 'no? Ayun siya and ginagamit din po yan siya to create alcoholic drinks. Yung sinasabi may nag-comment kanina yung tuba daw. Very Bisaya 'no, yung tuba. So, making alcoholic drinks, ayan siya. Ferment by fermentation, fermenting, ayan siya. Now, ang yeast po tandaan, it's actually an example of, tan that is letter B, fungus or part po siya ng kingdom fungi. Again, kingdom fungi po yan siya. Wrong po na isugot po natin si letter A, amoeba. Bakit ma'am? Ang amoeba po, it's actually an example of algae. And yung algae po, at saka amoeba, part po yan siya, yung amoeba at saka algae, part po yan siya sa kingdom protista. So, ibang kingdom, yung letter A tsaka letter C. Kasi amoeba at algae, kingdom protista po yan siya. Yung letter D, mushroom, it's actually part po siya ng kingdom fungi, yung mushroom. Tandaan, mushroom, part po siya ng kingdom fungi. No, example po yan siya ng kingdom ng fungus, yung mushroom, yung yeast, yan sila. Kaya nga, 'di ba, kung titingnan ninyo, kasi nga fungus itong yeast, 'di ba? Kapag matagal na masyado yung tinapay, nagko-color green na siya or nagka-create na siya ng mold, 'di ba? Nagka-create na siya ng mold. Oh, kasi nga fungus po, 'di ba? Meron kasi siyang yeast yung tinapay, no? So 'yan, magiging kapag nalipasan na ng ilang araw, no? Ayan siya. So nagkakaroon ng mold, which is actually mold is actually also a fungus din yan siya. Fungus. So again po, tandaan yung yeast, fungus po yan, part po yan siya ng kingdom fungi. Alright? Sige po, letter B po ang isagot natin for this question. Okay? Pa-screenshot po, pa-screenshot po. Yan, tandaan po ha. Yung amoeba algae, kingdom protista po yan siya. Yung mushroom yeast, fungus po yan sila or part siya sa kingdom fungi. Okay, tandaan po ha, pakitandaan po. Alright, sige. Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. Okay. Ayan, may sagot na kaagad. The major source of energy on Earth is the blank. Okay? The major source of energy on Earth is the blank. Is it letter A, wind? Letter B, forest? Letter C, ocean? Letter D, sun? Correct. Tama talaga si Ma'am Gina, no? Talagang sagot ka agad. Okay? Kindly comment down your answers po. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa comment box natin. Okay? Ayan, ayan, ayan. Comment po, pa-comment po. Mga future LPTs po natin, pa-comment po ng sagot. Ano po ang sagot dito for this question? Ayan. Okay, letter D, letter D, letter D. Alright, sige. Sun, sun. Ano talaga sila? Very confident. Sun po talaga ang tamang sagot dyan, ma'am. Hindi mo kami mauuto, ma'am, kasi sun talaga yung answer dyan. Ayan. Okay, sige. Sige, let's have our rationalization po for this question. Okay, major source of energy. Tandaan, pag major source, no? The source of energy, no, of course, it comes from the sun. Specifically, the solar energy, the light energy, ayan, comes from the sun. Again, source of energy, sun. Pero what if, kung itanong po sa board exam, source of nutrients. Pag source of nutrients po, nakikita po yan siya sa soil. Again, pag source of nutrients, soil. Pero kung source of energy po, that is the sun. Yung ocean naman, of course, yung pinakamalaki, no, among the biomes or among the parts of the earth, no, pinakamalaki talaga ang ocean. Oo. Yung forest naman, of course, yung forest, one of the habitats po yun siya ng mga living organisms. Yung wind naman, of course, yung wind, it's a moving air, of course, and yung wind is an abiotic component dito sa Earth. Abiotic, when we say abiotic, meaning living thing, non-living. Again, pag abiotic, non-living thing. So wind is an example of abiotic factors, is an example of abiotic factor here on Earth. Pero again, pag itanong po sa board exam, major source or the primary source of energy, lahat-lahat, of course, lahat po, answer po dyan, letter D, sun. Tandaan, letter D, sun. Okay, letter D, sun po. Okay, ayan. Sige. Proceed po tayo for the next question. Marami pa po tayong mga questions. Ayan. Sige, ito po yung next question natin. Because it will adversely affect the population's food supplies, the most disadvantageous source of energy is blank. Again, because it will adversely affect the population's food supplies, the most disadvantageous source of energy is blank. Is it letter A, wind? Letter B, sun? Letter C, geothermal? Or letter D, plant? So what do you think is the answer for this question? Okay? Paki-comment po na inyong mga na inyong mga sagot. Okay. Ayan, ayan, ayan. So letter D, D, D. C, may nag-letter C. Alright, D. Ayan, okay, okay. Nakikita ko po yung mga sagot. Pa-comment po po yung mga sagot, teachers. Okay, pa-comment pa po. Ayan, letter D. Again po, we have 81 viewers po here sa ating live session. I encourage everyone na lahat po kayong mag-answer po talaga. No? Kasi this is a sort of drill po ito eh. Sort of drill. Kumbaga ano, mental exercise sa inyo kung paano talaga umatake ng questions 'no. Oo, ayan. D, C, okay, C, alright. Okay, D, C, C, alright, sige. Okay, 6 viewers, ayan. So again, I encourage everyone po na magsagot po talaga. No, ayan, good evening, good evening. Good evening din po, Ma'am Annie, ayan siya. Sige, letter C, C, okay. Okay, C, C, D, D. Okay. Sige. Let's have a rationalization na po. Okay. Na-late. Medyo na-late yung ano ni ma'am. Okay. Ayan. So, yung nasa stem po, no? Because it will adversely affect the population's food supplies. The most disadvantageous source of energy is blank. So again po, yung nasa stem po natin tandaan, kapag mawala po ito, 'no, meaning ito siya na ano, is actually ano siya, kumbaga food supply po siya, 'no, food supply. Therefore, producer ito siya, producer, 'no? Kumbaga, yung consumers like the ano, like the mga herbivores, mga carnivores, mga omnivores ay nakadepende po talaga sa ganito, sa producer po. So yan siya. So kapag adversely affect population food supplies, the most disadvantageous source of energy, again, source of energy kasi siya yung nakaka-gather ng energy, 'no? Kapag nakatapat sa araw 'no, siya kaagad yung nakaka-gather 100% talaga na-accumulate na yung energy from the sun. So i-answer po natin dito, hindi po wind, kasi hindi naman wala namang kinalaman yung wind about the food supplies, 'di ba? The sun naman, hindi din naman. Geothermal, wrong din po yung geothermal kasi when we say geothermal, it has something to do with the earth at the same time yung heat and the earth, 'di ba? So ay sagot po natin dito is letter D, plant, okay? Again, letter D, plant. So medyo ano kasi, medyo nakakalito yung kanyang question. May ganyan talaga na question po sa board exam. Expect po talaga na ganyan po talaga 'no, sa let po talaga hindi may mga questions talaga na medyo nakakalito siya. So it requires ano talaga, yung comprehension, it requires analysis, ayan siya. So nakalagay dito, adversely affect the population's food supplies. Tapos siya yung accumulate the source of energy. Of course, walang iba, kundi plant yung isagot po natin. That's letter D, plant. Tandaan po, letter D, plant. Paki-screenshot po ito. Alright. Sige. Ayan, sige, proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay, proceed po tayo sa next question. Alright. This is true of recessive genes. Ano ba? Ano kaya? This is true of recessive genes. Okay, is it letter A, have more superior phenotypic traits? B, will prevent a dominant gene from expressing its phenotype. C, should be paired with a dominant gene for it to be expressed. Or letter D, will only have phenotypic expression if present as an homozygous genotype. So ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Alright? Sige po, pa-comment po ng inyong mga sagot. Alright. Again po, gising-gising po, LPTs. Gising-gising po, wag pong matutulog. Wag pong matutulog para sa license po, ha? Ayan, gising-gising po talaga. Ayan. Okay, D, D. Alright. Sure na sure talaga sila sa letter D, no? Okay, I will give you, ayan. Medyo late ang ano ni ma'am. Ayan, 10 seconds to comment down your answers. Ayan. Okay, D. Okay, wala pa mag-C sa inyo? Wala bang mag-letter B, mag-letter A? Ayan. Okay, so D kasi pinakamahaba. Tama. Ayun. Galing talaga Sir Arwin 'no, talagang D daw kasi mahaba. Wag ganyan ha, kasi hindi ganyan sa board exam, hindi lahat 'no. May mga questions na gano'n 'no, mahaba yung sagot pero hindi hindi sa lahat ng instances. Ayan. Ayan, sige. C, okey, C. C, D, recessive genes, homozygous genotype. Ayan, sure na sure talaga sila. No, na-appreciate ko yung iba dito 'no, na talagang nagse-share talaga sila ng kanilang ano, knowledge about the science. Do you love science? Love ba ninyo ang science? Ayan. Okey, pa-comment pa po na inyong mga sagot. Ayan, sige. Okey. Okay, so yung clue po natin dito, recessive genes. Ma'am, ano pala ang recessive genes? Pag sabihin po natin recessive genes, meaning to say, homozygous po yan sila. Again, homozygous. Pag dominant genes naman, 'di ba? Pag dominant, usually pag dominant genes kasi ito yung kapag merong presence ng dominant gene, ito po yung na-e-express, no? Ito po yung na-e-express. 'Pag merong dominant gene. Pero kung recessive gene naman usually sa homozygous po 'yan siya. Now, true of recessive gene, wrong po si letter A, have more superior phenotypic traits. Wrong po, kasi yung merong superior phenotypic traits po, we have dominant gene. So wrong po si letter A. Wrong din po si letter B, will prevent a dominant gene from expressing its phenotype. Bakit wrong si letter B, ma'am? Wala pong kakayahan, no, yung recessive gene po na makaprevent sa dominant gene. Yung dominant gene lang po yung kaya makaprevent ng recessive gene to express its phenotype, yung dominant gene. Pero yung recessive gene hindi niya kaya to prevent the dominant gene from expression. Yung letter C naman, wrong din po si letter C. Should be paired with a dominant gene for it to be expressed. In fact, no, kapag yung recessive gene kasama niya yung dominant gene, hindi po na-e-express yung recessive gene, yung na-e-express lang po yung dominant gene. So ang isagot po natin dito, tandaan, isagot po natin dito, that's letter D. Ang recessive gene, ma-e-express lang po siya if present po siya as a homozygous genotype. Meaning to say, walang dominant gene. Again, walang dominant gene. Puro recessive genes lang po siya. That is why, mag-e-express po siya. Magkakaroon po ng phenotypic expression. So again po, letter D po ang isagot natin dito. Pa-screenshot po ito. Pa-screenshot po ito, teachers. Ayan. Please pa-screenshot in 3, 2, 1. Ayan. Again, letter D po ang isagot natin. So example here, we have the inheritance of eye color. So yung father at saka yung mother, both of them, meron silang dominant gene. Bakit? Yung dominant gene dyan, yung may capital letter B. No, 'di ba? So pareho sila may dominant gene. Na kung ano natin 'yan siya, subject to ano na 'yan siya, ano yung nangyayari? So, may tatlo siyang anak na puro dominant. Oh, dominant yung ano, yung brown color, tapos yung isa naman is recessive. Recessive meaning, may blue color yung sa kanyang isa. Ayan siya. So, yan po yung example 'no, about yung sa phenotypic expression po ng mga dominant and recessive genes. Ayan. So again po, isagot po natin dito ha, letter D. Okay, letter D. Alright, I love science, pero ako na lang ma'am ang hindi minamahal. Okay lang po yan siya, sir. Ayan. At least love mo pa rin ang science. Baka kapag may LPT ka na sir, may magmamahal na po sa'yo. Ay, love ko ma'am, kaso physical science lang. Wow! Physical science ang gusto ni Ma'am Fe. Alright, so meaning super galing nito si Ma'am Fe sa ano, sa physics tsaka sa chemistry at saka sa earth science. Kasi physical science yung gusto ni Ma'am. Ayan, wow na wow ha. Alright, sige. Okay, proceed po tayo sa next question. Okay, for the next question, ito yung next question natin. Mammalia is to class as primate is to blank. Okay? Mammalia is to class as primate is to blank. Is it letter A, genus, B, family, C, order, D, species? Okay, kindly comment down below your answers for this question. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers po dito sa comment box natin. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, family. B, family daw sabi ni Sir Arwin. Letter C ang kay Ma'am Alexa. Okay, letter D ang kay Sir Warren. How about the others? Okay, kindly comment down below your answers po. Ano po ang tamang sagot dito? Ayan, okay. Okay, I expect na marami talagang mag-send na answer. So we have 88 live viewers po. Good evening everyone. Again, pwedeng-pwede po kayong mag-dinner, no, while watching our live sessions. Alright, ayan. Letter B, letter D, 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 okay. Hmm, C, alright. Okay, 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 okay. Sige, malalaman natin kung ano ba talaga ang tamang sagot for this one. Okay, kasi yung analogy natin, yung analogy ha, Mammalia is to class as primate is to, ano kaya yan? Okay, D, papa-comment po na inyong mga sagot, LPTs, ayan. Manifest ko na kaagad 'no, na talagang magiging LPTs kayo dito. Ayan siya, okay. C, okay, C, may nag-letter C, alright. Sige, okay, let's have a rationalization. Makinig po ng mabuti kung bakit ganyan yung sagot, no? So, okay, mammalia is to class as primate is to blank. So, tandaan po, no? We have different, diba? We have different, diba? We have 8 levels of biology taxonomy. We have the domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Ayan siya. So, now, okay, for example, yeah. So here sa analogy, titingnan natin. Kasi yung mammalia daw is to class. Mammalia is actually an example of part siya ng class. Yung primate naman po, hindi po yan siya genus, hindi din po yan siya family, hindi din po yan siya species. That is letter C, order. Tandaan yung primate, order po yan siya, order. So, okay. So in this case, for example, we have the humans. For example ha, makinig po ng ano ko, rasyo. So we have humans ako, as an example. So for example, humans, no? So ang humans po, tayo, no? Homo sapien tayo. That's actually our species, no? Homo sapien tayo. Yan po yung ating scientific name. Homo sapien. No, ang humans po, tandaan, yung humans, belong tayo sa domain Eukarya, Domain Eukarya, Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, yung order po natin, we have primates. Bakit ma'am? Kasi yung primates, usually meron yan silang mga large brain and complex po yung kanilang mga social behavior. So again po, order po ang primate. And then yung humans naman, belong tayo sa family Hominidae. Yung genus natin, Homo. Yung species, of course, we have the Homo sapien. So again, tandaan po, pag primate, order po yan siya. Sige po, pa-screenshot po ito, pakalalabas po ito ha. Okay, letter C, order. Again, letter C, order. Ayan, letter C, order po ang tamang sagot for this question. Okay. Sige, proceed po tayo for the next question. Alright? Oh, mabilis lang ito. Hindi naman ito masyado mahirap, ma'am. Hindi mo masyado mahirap. Gusto ko ng challenging. Yung challenging na question. Pero again, sa ano po ito, sa Gen Ed, usually talaga ganito, more on recalling, more on remembering talaga siya. So again, ito po ang next question natin. Capsid refers to the protein shell of a blank. Again, capsid refers to the protein shell of a blank. Is it letter A, fossil, B, fungus, C, virus, D, nucleus? Hey, kindly comment down below your answers po. Okay, pa-comment po na inyong sagot. Okay, may nag-letter D. Okay, letter C. Alright. Okay, C, C. Okay. Malalaman natin kung letter, ano ba talaga ang tamang sagot dyan, ma'am. Sige. Okay. Ayan. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, sige. Okay. So, pag capsid, tandaan po, pag capsid, protein shell po yan siya. Wala pang protein shell ang fossil, no? Wala din pong protein siya ng fungus, lalo na yung nucleus. Nucleus is actually ano yan 'no, yung diyan makikita yung it houses the genetic material or yung DNA. That's the nucleus. Pero here 'pag capsid po, it refers to the protein shell of a virus. Tandaan po, 'pag capsid, virus. Capsid, protein shell, yan siya ng virus. Hindi po fossil 'no. Lalo-lalo na hindi hindi din yung fungus, fungi. Yung fungi meron lang silang exoskeleton made up of no, yung fungi meron silang chitin, yung fungi, chitin. Pero yung capsid protein shell po yun siya ng virus. Yung nucleus naman, of course, it houses the genetic material or the DNA. Tandaan po ha, pag capsid, virus. Again, pag capsid, protein shell of a virus. Yeah. Okay, protein shell of a virus. So ito po, for example, here we have here the illustration, no? Ayan po, the parts of the virus, we have the glycoprotein, yung genome or the DNA. Of course, meron DNA talaga yung yung virus. Although yung virus, no, again, yung virus, non-living yan sila ha. They're acellular kasi wala yan silang cell. Pero they do have RNA or DNA. That's why kaya nilang mag-replicate at kaya nilang mag-multiply kasi meron silang DNA tsaka RNA. Oh, DNA or RNA. And of course, meron silang protein shell. O yan, na capsid. And then we have the coat. So again, acellular po ang virus, non-living. Again, non-living po ang virus. Non-living particle. Non-living po yan siya. Tandaan, non-living, acellular po ang virus. Meron lang po siyang DNA or RNA. That is why, kaagad siya, mag-multiply kaagad siya or mag-multiply or mag-replicate kaagad. So again, virus po, capsid virus. Okay? Protein shell yan siya ng virus. Okay? Let's proceed with the next question. Ayan. Sige. What are the openings and leaf surfaces called? So ano kaya ang tawag, no? Ang tawag sa leaf surfaces called? Is it letter A, stomata, B, stem, C, chlorophyll, D, vacuoles? What do you think is the answer for this one? Again, parang wala lang ako nakita nag-answer. Nasaan na kaya ang ating mga future LPTs? Again, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Again, I encourage everyone po talaga na magsagot po talaga sa ating mga questions. Of course, this is a sort of drill po kasi. Ayan, letter A, ayan siya, okay? Sige, A. Ayan, sige. Malalaman natin kung letter A ba talaga ang tamang sagot for this question. Alright. Ayan, so, ayan, letter A. Pa-comment po. How about the others po? Pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Ayan. Okay, sige. Okay, let's have our rationalization. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Sige. Pag openings po ng leaf surfaces, ang tawag po dyan, that's letter A, stomata. Again, letter A, stomata. Hindi po yung letter B, stem. In fact, yung stem, no, dyan po makikita yung mga vascular tissues ng plants. Oo. Yung sa stem, again, hindi po pwede isagot yung letter B, stem. Yung stem, makita po dyan yung mga vascular tissues ng plants. For the vascular plants, yung mga, merong conducting tissues like the xylem and the phloem. Ayan siya. Yung chlorophyll naman, of course, that's the green pigment. No? We have the chlorophyll, nakikita usually sa chloroplast. That's the green pigment, no, that can capture light and convert it into chemical energy in the process of photosynthesis. Pag vacuole naman, that's actually the storage, no? Storage po yun siya ng plant pag vacuole. Pero in this case, yung nasa question po kasi, openings and leaf surfaces, tandaan po, letter A, stomata. Again, letter A, stomata. And in fact, o yan, pag sabihin natin stomata, or pwede din pag singular, stoma, may naglagay dito na stoma yung na-remember. Ayan. O, stoma, pwede siya singular form. Ayan. That's the pores in a leaf mostly on the undersurface. And in fact, meron silang guard cells, no, that allows that allows the stoma to open or close. Ayan siya. So that's actually the diagram about this. When the stoma open, the stoma also closed. Ayan siya. Pag singular, stoma. Pag plural, stomata, yan siya. Mm. Again, yan po. Yan. Ayan. So meron siyang guard cells, no? Can change the shape to open or close the stoma. So again po, pag openings and lift surfaces, dyan po, no? Actually, dyan po lumalabas, no, yung oxygen, no, which is actually the product ng photosynthesis po, di ba? You have the oxygen, dyan po lumalabas sa stomata, the openings in the leaf surfaces. And also sa din, yung sa water din po, dyan po lalabas din po usually in the process of evapotranspiration. Ayan, sa stomata po sila lumalabas. Ayan siya. So again, that's the openings and leaf surfaces. So, okay, ayan, proceed po tayo for the next question. Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. Knowing how important forests are, government regulate governments regulate strictly black. Is it letter A, hunting, B, mining, C, fishing, D, logging? What do you think is the answer for this one? Okay, kindly comment down your answers po. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds. All right. Okay, we have 87 viewers. Hello, good evening teachers. Ayan, paki-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Paki-comment po. May letter A. Okay, letter D. Knowing how important forests. Again po, basahin po ng maigi ang question. Ayan, okay. O kaya ang tamang sagot dito? D po, ayan. D. How about the others? Again, I encourage everyone po na mag-ano po talaga, mag-send po ng answers dito sa comment box. This is a sort of drill po. Ayan. O, para may engagement po tayo. Ayan, D. D. Wala ba mag-letter A, mag-B sa inyo or ano, letter C? Ayan, sige, let's have the ano na, ratio na, no? Again, knowing how important forests. Siyempre, pag forests, no, usually nandiyan yung mga woods, di ba? Yan yung mga trees na ginagawang ano, usually ginagawang mga furnitures, ayan siya. So para ma-regulate, no, ay ano, para ano yung maproteksyonan yung forests, which is actually one of the habitats no na ating mga living organisms, of course, no. So dapat yung government mag-regulate strictly saan? Of course, logging. Kaya nga bawal talaga, illegal logging, bawal talaga yan siya, no? No, kasi masisira. Kawawa tayo kapag wala ng trees sa forests natin. Kaya masyadong mainit ito ngayon, no? Kasi wala na ano, ng oxygen, no? Ayan siya. So, hindi po hunting kasi wala namang sinasabi diyan na ano no mga organisms no. Mining hindi din naman mining kasi when we say mining more on sa mga natural inorganic substances po yan siya or yung, for example mga gold no, mga diamonds ayan siya. Sa fishing naman, of course, sa ano 'yan siya, sa mga marine or aquatic na mga organisms na 'yan siya. Pero kung forests po, 'no, that is letter D, logging. Dapat talaga magkaroon ng control, 'no, sa ano, strict control or regulation sa logging. That's letter D. Tama, oh yeah, landslide din 'pag wala ng trees. And of course, yung flood, oh, prone to flood din kapag wala ng trees. Ayan siya. So again, D, logging. Again, letter D, logging po ang isagot natin. Okay, pa-screenshot po teachers. Ayan, sige. Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. Ito, medyo ano 'to, physical science concept ito siya. A child at the top of a slide, a ripe guava before it falls, yo-yo before it is released, are examples of blank potential energy. Is it letter A, electrical, B, gravitational, C, mechanical, D, chemical? Okay, kindly comment down your answers po. Paki-comment po ng inyong sagot for for this question. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Alright, B. Ayan, sige. Okay. Pa-comment pa po. Ayan, sige. Let's have the rationalization. Ayan, pa-comment pa po. Comment po. Okay. Habol-habol po yung iba. Ayan, okay yung sagot dito. Okay. Sure na sure talaga sila. Walang nag-letter A. Wala akong nakita nag-letter A, nag-letter C, tsaka nag-letter D. Sure talaga sila sa letter B, gravitational. So again, okay. Pa pala. Alright, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Now, for this, we have a child at the top, ripe guava before it falls, yoyo before it is released. These are all examples of, tandaan, letter B, gravitational potential energy. Hindi po pwede isuot electrical, wala namang ano dyan, no? Something to do with electricity. Mechanical, hindi din po mechanical. D, chemical, hindi din po chemical. So, tandaan po, yung tatlo, child at the top, ripe guava before it falls, yoyo before it is released, mga examples ng gravitational potential energy. Bakit pala ma'am? Kasi when we say gravitational potential energy, this is actually a kind of potential energy due to yung height no in the gravitational field. So again po, letter B po isagot natin. Yung mga things na nag-fall, things na nag-release, usually po mga gravitational potential energy po yan sila. So again, letter B, gravitational potential energy ang isagot natin for this question. Tandaan, letter B, pa-screenshot po. Letter B po ang isagot natin for this item. Okay, ayan. Sige. Okay, let's have the next question. Okay, let's have the next question, everyone. Ito. What does the Broadland Commission define as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs? Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Is it A, environmental development, B, sustainable development, C, uncompromising development, or letter D, ecological development? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to to comment your answers po sa sa sagot sa question na ito. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Alright, B, 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 B. Okay, malalaman po natin ngayon for the rationalization natin kung letter B po talaga ang tamang sagot. Alright. Again, pa-comment po, LPTs, pa-comment po. Ayan, okay. Pa-comment po. Ayan, pa-comment po ninyo yung mga sagot. Okay, letter B. Sige, let's have the rationalization. Brundtland Commission, actually itong Brundtland Commission, ito something to do with the sa environment, no? They yan yung kanilang ano talaga, yung purpose nila, no? Meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. That is why no to exploitation of mga resources. Yung sobra na talaga na exploitation. Kasi kawawa po yung future generations natin, 'di ba? So yung tamang sagot po diyan kapag ganyan, no? No. That is letter B, sustainable development. Tandaan po, letter B, sustainable development. Pag meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations, that is letter B, sustainable development. That is why hindi po talaga pwede na lahat ng resources, no, ay ating i-exploit kasi kawawa po yung future generations po. Kawawa po yung susunod po sa atin. So that's letter B, sustainable development. Sustainability. That's actually the ano din po, 'di ba? Yun din po yung goal ng UN, 'di ba? Sustainability. So that's letter B, sustainable development. Alright? Sige. Ayan, LPT talaga kayo ngayong 2024. Ipag-pray po natin 'yan. Ayan siya. So we have 91 viewers. Wow, ang dumadami na ha. Ayan, sige. Proceed tayo for the next question. The energy source which is not sustainable is blank. Okay? The energy source which is not sustainable is blank. Is it letter A, water? B, sun, C, wind, D, coal. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to comment down your answers po. Ayan. Paki-comment po ng inyong sagot. Okay, D, D. Okay, how about the others? Again po, we have 88, oh na, medyo na ano na, 88 viewers po, 89, ayan. Please po, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Again, this is sort of drill po para po ma-exercise, no? Merong mental exercise po dyan sa inyo, ayan. Sa end ninyo. Kasi magte-take kayo, eh, mas mabuti talaga na you are exposed to different questions, 'no? Kaya para talaga ano, law of exercise, 'di ba? Sabi ni Thorndike, law of exercise. So, drill, ayan siya. So, letter D, okay, ayan. Sige. The energy source which is not sustainable, again, not sustainable, mean to say non-renewable po yan siya, 'no? Kapag maubos po ito, may tendency na medyo matagal pa talaga ano, matagal pa siya or hindi talaga siya ma-renewed, 'no? So, we have letter D, coal. Again, letter D, coal. Yung water, sun, at saka wind, of course, they're all sustainable. Mga renewable energy po yan sila. Pero yung coal po, hindi. Bakit? Kasi it takes if ever mawala, no, itong coal, no? Pag mawala itong coal, of course, it takes millions of years pa bago na naman magkakaroon ng coal. In fact, non-renewable talaga ang coal, no? Ang coal kasi galing yan siya sa mga ano, dead plants or yeah, yung mga plants before nung unang panahon pa, nung yung mga ano, previous mga epochs, previous eras, ganyan siya. So yung coal, may 4 processes kasi yan siya. We have the peat, ano, undergo siya becoming a peat, next lignite, next bituminous, next anthracite. Ayan siya. So again, yung coal po, it takes millions of years pa bago if ever na ano na siya 'no, hindi kaagad siya ma-renew, hindi kaagad siya, ma-sustain, hindi siya maka-sustain, ganyan. So non-renewable siya or not sustainable. So again, letter D po ang isagot natin, coal. Again, letter D, coal. Okay, Sige, proceed po tayo for the next question. Ayan. A forest suffered from wildfires and destroys the existing vegetation. However, the soil remained viable. 5 years later, trees and bushes are seen flourishing in the forest once again. This phenomenon is called blank. So ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers dito sa comment box. Ayan, ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Alright, ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Okay, D, may nag-C, alright. Sige po, pa-comment pa po ng inyong mga ano, ng inyong mga sagot po, pa-comment pa po. Ayan, okay. Sige. Okay, so ang clue po natin dito, forest, makinig po ng mabuti, forest suffered from wildfires. So, ayan siya. So, nagkaroon ng wildfire, so forest fire. However, yung soil niya remain viable pa rin. So, ganun pa rin, di ba? 5 years later, biglang ano naman, yung nag-flourish na naman yung mga trees and bushes. So, ang tawag po ng phenomenon na yan, tandaan, that's letter D, secondary ecological succession. Tandaan po, letter D, secondary ecological succession. So, ma'am, bakit hindi pwede primary succession? Usually, ang primary succession, it's a result from the volcanic eruption. Example po ng primary succession, yung sa volcanic eruption. Kasi pag volcanic eruption, lahat talaga na-destroyed 'no, even yung soil na naiiba, 'di ba? Oh, yan yung primary succession from being a bare rock and then naging lichens 'no, meron ng ano ng mga fungi, mga algae yan siya, mga fungi. You also have the small annual plants and lichens, grasses and perennials, grasses, shrubs, and shade intolerant trees such as pines. And in fact, sa primary succession, it takes hundreds of years 'no, bago bumalik yung kanyang ano, yung form niya. So again, yung volcanic eruption, that's an example of primary succession. Pero yung forest fire or yung wildfire na sinasabi kanina sa question, that's an example of secondary succession, yan siya. So for example here, fire, pero still viable pa rin yung soil, pwede pa rin siyang matamnan ng lupa. 'No? So, in fact mga ano lang, it takes 150 plus years pero hindi pa talaga like hindi katulad ng primary succession at sobrang tagal, 'no? Ayan, so merong pioneer species, intermediate species, until such time na magiging climax community siya. So again po, yung 'pag makita po natin na like for example, forest fire or wildfire, that's secondary succession. Pero kung volcanic eruption po 'no, that's primary succession. So ayan, sige. Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. Okay. For the next question, which sector of the economy consumes the most energy? So saan kaya dito? Okay, pa-comment po ng inyong sagot for this item. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Alright, pa-comment po. Ayan, we have 82 viewers. Alright. Sige po, pa-comment po ng inyong sagot for this question. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Alright. Sige. Which sector of the economy consumes the most energy? Siyempre, walang iba, consumes the most energy. Of course, we have the letter D, industry. So, hindi naman yung electric utilities, transportation, more on sa great, ano lang, yung, yung, tawag ito, yung ano sa, yung yung nagiging effect for the transportation, of course, greater yung mobility niya, oh. Pero 'pag consuming, yung energy consumption talaga, that's letter D, industry. So yung mga factories, 'di ba? Especially mga industrialized countries, like for example, the US, yung mga giant countries, 'di ba? Yan sila, nagko-consume talaga yan sila ng energy. Consume, the energy, grabe yung energy consumption nila. So that's letter D, industry. Tandaan po, letter D, industry. Alright. Pa-screenshot po. Ayan, 3, 2, 1. Alright, sige. Proceed po tayo for the next question. Alright. Zebra, horse, and donkey have similar characteristics because they belong to the same blank. Is it letter A, taxonomy? B, species? C, rank? D, genus? Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Alright, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers sa comment box. Again, pa-comment po na inyong sagot. Again, Gising-gising po mga LPTs. Yan, gising-gising po. Bawat pong matulog, alright? Again, okay, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Alright. Okay, makinig po ng mabuti ha kung bakit ganyan yung answer. Okay. So, zebra, horse, and donkey have similar. Again, similar yung characteristics nila because they belong to the same. Answer po dito is letter D, genus. Okay? Letter D, genus. So, yan sila tatlo, yung zebra, horse, and donkey. Different yung ano nila, yung of course, different kasi yung scientific name nila. So, different yung species nila. Different species yan sila, of course. Pero similar yung characteristics nila kasi they do have the same or they belong to the same genus which is yung Equus or Equus. Equus or yeah, EQUUS. So yan siya. So similar yung characteristics nila kasi belong sila sa similar genus. Tandaan po, letter D, genus, pa-screenshot po. Again, pa-screenshot po ang item na ito, baka lalabas po ito siya. Again, letter D, genus. Alright, sige. Proceed po tayo for the next question. Marami po tayong questions, alright? Sige, all of the following contribute to the environmental conservation except blank. Again, all of the following contribute to environmental conservation except blank. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to comment down your answers po. Ayan. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Alright, sige po, pa-comment po na inyong sagot, ang mga future LPTs po natin, alright? Sige. Okay, nakikita ko pong sagot ninyo, letter A po ang sagot ninyo. Okay, so all of these daw contribute to environmental conservation except, so may isang hindi kasali. Of course, kasali dyan yung waste segregation. O, diba? Kasali yan for environmental conservation. Kasali din yung energy conservation. Kasali din yung reforestation. Yung hindi po kasali dyan, of course, we have letter A, carburetor exhaust. And in fact, because of this carburetor exhaust, no, emit ng carbon dioxide, it can lead to global warming. Mm-mm. Masyado mainit. No, yan siya. So, carburetor exhaust po yung exception sa environmental conservation. Yung letter B, C, D, it contributes to conservation ng environment. Except na yung letter A because it can lead to global warming. Can cause global warming. So yan po, letter A, carburetor exhaust. Ayan. Sige, pa-screenshot po in 3, 2, 1. Alright, sige, proceed po tayo for the next question. Alright. What demonstrates the feeding connections between all life forms? So what demonstrates the feeding connections between all life forms? Ano yung tawag daw sa feeding connections? Alright, I will give you 10 seconds po to send your answers here sa comment box. Again po, mag-send po ha ng mag-answer po talaga. No, gising-gising po ang mga licensed professional teachers. Alright, para sa lisensya, gilat dapat yung mga mata ninyo. Alright? Sige. Again, pag feeding connections, tandaan, pag feeding connections po, that is letter C, food web. Again, letter C, food web. So, actually, ito po yung, ito po yung illustration. Iba po yung food chain, kasi yung food chain, ano lang siya, 'di ba? Nakalagay diyan yung producer, no? Kinain ng herbivores usually, the primary consumer, next the secondary consumer, the tertiary, and then the quaternary consumers. So linear lang siya pag food chain, no? Usually, linear or cyclical. Isang ano lang siya, cycle. Pero pag sabihin kasi nating mga pag mag-interlap na siya, meron ng interlap na, mag-interlap na, yung ano nila, yung consumption, then that is already food web, no? So yan, 'di ba? So yan yung difference ng dalawa. Iba yung food chain, iba din yung food web. So again, pag feeding connections na between all life forms or living organisms, tandaan po, that's letter C, food web. Again, letter C, food web, pa-screenshot po. In 3, 2, 1, pa-screenshot. Alright, sige po, proceed po tayo for the next question. Alright. The best reliable source of scientific knowledge is blank. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Again, the best reliable source of scientific knowledge is blank. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa chat box. Again, kindly send your answers po sa chat box. Alright, ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, C. Okay, A. May nag-answer din ng letter A. So, sige po. Again, we have 75 viewers. pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot po dito. Alright. Okay, C. Okay, may nag-letter D. Alright, sige. Again po, best reliable source of scientific knowledge, of course, yung reliable source talaga ng scientific knowledge, that is letter C, empirical study. Kasi when we say empirical study, usually it is done by ano na talaga, yung through observation, 'di ba? Kasi 'pag empirical, no, you're going to use your senses talaga, no, to study that kind of research or topic. So maybe sa empirical study, it has something to do with more on sa observation. Talagang ano siya, kumbaga evidence-based. Kaya nga reliable source of scientific knowledge siya. Yung letter A, hypothesis, hindi siya reliable source kasi educated guess lang man siya. That's hypothesis. Yung interview result, kasi pag interview result, more on ano kasi yan, eh, subjective kasi siya masyado, 'di ba? Based on the answers of the mga interviewees, 'di ba? So, medyo subjective. And including the personal experience, medyo subjective din siya. Pero kung reliable source of scientific knowledge kasi, 'pag meron talagang consistency sa result, of course, we're going to do empirical study. So, empirical study po yan siya. Yeah, usually done through experiments, no, mga observations, ayan siya. So merong consistency kumbaga sa result niya. So that's letter C, empirical study. Again, letter C, empirical study. Okay, proceed po tayo for the next question. All right. An orchid attached to a coconut tree is an example of blank. Again, an orchid attached to a coconut tree is an example of blank. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa comment box. Alright? Ayan, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Again, LPTs, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Alright? Sige, letter A. May nag-letter D, may nag-letter C. Alright? Sige, malalaman po natin ngayon kung ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one. Alright? Sige. So, ang nasa question, an orchid attached to a coconut tree is an example po yan siya. Again, pag yung orchid naka-attach sa coconut tree, of course, makaka-benefit yung orchid. However, yung coconut tree naman, hindi siya maka-benefit from the orchid. Hindi din siya ma-harm from the orchid. So that relationship is letter C, commensalism. Again, letter C, commensalism. In fact, yung commensalism is actually yan sila mga symbiosis yan sila or mga symbiotic relationship. So merong long-term association between two organisms of different species. So first, we have mutualism. Pag mutualism, both organisms maka-benefit. Pag parasitism naman, of course, isang organism maka-benefit pero yung isa maka-harm. Halimbawa, of course, tayo humans and mga yung mga parasites, no? Like for example, yung mga worms doon sa ating bituka. Yan siya, sa mga parasites yan sila. So that's parasitism. But in the case of commensalism, yung halimbawa diyan, no, yung commensalism, yung isang organism maka-benefit, yung isa naman neither harmed nor benefited. So yan siya. So halimbawa nito, a bird and a tree, or yung best example dito, yung sa question natin, orchid attached to a coconut tree, that is letter C, commensalism. Again, letter C, commensalism. Paki-screenshot po ito, baka lalabas po ito. Again, letter C, commensalism. In fact, lumabas po ito sa time namin, September 2023. May lumabas, ito, orchid attached to a coconut tree. Lumabas po ito na question sa aming time. So that's letter C, commensalism. Okay, sige. Proceed tayo for the next question. The laws of heredity were the results of the study of blank. So again, pag laws of heredity po, kanino po yan siya? Again, pa-comment po ng inyong sagot. I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa comment box. Alright, ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito for this question? Alright, B. B, alright, sige. Ayan siya, sige. Malalaman natin kung ano ba talaga ang tamang sagot for this one. Take note, pag loss of heredity po, more on sa genes, genetics po. Of course, walang iba, the father of genetics. Of course, we have Gregor Mendel. Again, Gregor Mendel. Ang letter A, bawal po yan siya kasi when si Alexander Fleming, siya po yung nakadiscover ng wonder drug na penicillin. No? Penicillin is an antibiotic. No? Para to fight bacterial infections. Ayan siya. So, naka-discover po ng penicillin, we have Alexander Fleming. On the evolution naman, theory of evolution, at saka yung nagsulat ng book na On the Origin of Species, species, we have Charles Darwin. This si Marie Curie naman, Nobel Prize po yan siya sa physics, si Marie Curie. Again, pag laws of heredity, tandaan, you have the father of genetics, we have Gregor Mendel. And of course, we have the principle of Mendelian inheritance, no, by Gregor Mendel. We have three laws. We have the law of segregation, law of independent assortment, at saka law of dominance. Pag segregation, meaning two alleles for each gene are placed in different gametes. Pag independent naman, one gene doesn't affect the inheritance of any other gene. At saka yung kanina, yung sinabi ko kanina about the dominant genes, recessive genes, kapag merong dominant genes, nag-express siya, no? Pero kung wala namang walang dominant genes, puro homozygous siya na recessive genes, meaning yun yung nag-express. So that's law of dominance. Again, law of dominance yun siya. So yan yung tatlong laws, no, ni Gregor Mendel. So again, pag laws of heredity, Gregor Mendel. Okay? Sige, proceed tayo for the next question. The Philippines lies in a place where there are many volcanoes which make it prone to. Again, pag Philippines, many volcanoes. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Okay, kindly send your answers po sa comment box. Alright? Okay? Ang bilis ng Alexa ha. Okay, may answer na Sir Mark. How about the others? Alright, ayan. So, ang tamang sagot, of course, kapag yung Philippines lies in a place where there are many volcanoes, prone yan sila sa earthquakes. Kasi nga, ang Philippines, yan, kabilang po tayo sa Pacific Ring of Fire, wherein, ano talaga, may mga seismic activities or mga earthquakes talaga tayong nararanasan. Of course, marami ding volcanoes, 'di ba? Usually, yung mga countries na belong sa Pacific Ring of Fire. So again po, letter D, earthquakes. Prone po tayo to earthquakes. Typhoon, hindi din naman sa typhoon, no? Pero kasi we are near the Pacific Ocean, kaya siguro we are also ano sa typhoon. Pero kasi 'pag many volcanoes, meaning prone tayo sa earthquakes. Ayan siya. So, okay, proceed tayo for the next question. Ayan. Humans reproduce when an ovum is combined with sperm, leading to the development of an embryo. This form of reproduction is called blank. So, ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this question? Alright, kindly send your answers po. Yan, in 10 seconds, kindly send your answers po. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this item? Alright, letter C. How about the others? Again, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Pa-comment po. Ayan, sige. Okay. So yung clue po natin dito, humans reproduce when an ovum is combined with a sperm, leading to the development of an embryo. Actually, ang tawag talaga dito na reproduction, it should be sexual reproduction. Pero walang sexual reproduction, of course, yung pinaka the best answer for this one, the best, the best pa talaga. So yung the best answer for this one, that's letter C, fertilization. Again, fertilization, the union of an ovum and sperm. That is letter C, fertilization. Again, pag sa test tube, ano yon? In vitro. Pero kung inside the body, that is in vivo fertilization. So again, fertilization po ang isagot natin dito. Alright, okay. Okay, next question po tayo. A living organism thrives best in its blank. Again, a living organism thrives best in its blank. Ano kayang tamang sagot for this one? I will give you 10 seconds to comment down your answers. Again, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot for this item. Alright, ano kaya ang tamang sagot? Ayan, letter B. How about the others? Ilan yung viewers natin ngayon? So we have 77 viewers. Again, pa-comment po na inyong mga sagot. Alright? Again, pag living organism, they live best, of course, they live best in their habitat or yung kanilang tinitirhan. Oh, they live best kasi nga doon sila makakakuha ng kanilang mga resources, ng mga food nila, ayan siya. So they thrive or they live best in their habitats. That's letter B. So ito yung mga different habitats ng animals, no? Usually, yung mga biomes. We have the taiga, tropical rainforest, grassland, tundra, desert, river, intertidal zone, coral reef, open sea, or mga marine. Ayan, ano na. Ayan siya. So that's letter B, habitat. Again, letter B, habitat. Okay, proceed pa tayo for the next question. Ito. Element X has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Based on information, element X belong to A or N. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to send your answers po sa ating chat box. Alright? Okay. Okay, letter B ang sagot ninyo. Alright. Sige, makinig po ng mabuti, alright ha? Again, yung electron configuration po, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So therefore, carbon yan siya, no? Kasi based on the electron configuration. However, wala pong carbon sa option. So we are going to answer letter B, CONH. Kasi nga, bakit CONH yung answer natin dyan, ma'am? Perhaps perhaps baka na ano lang, na-typo lang po, yung PRC po. Supposedly dapat carbon sana yung letter B pero CONH yung nilagay nila. Kasi bawal tayo mag-answer ng letter E sa board exam. Take note, bawal tayo mag-answer ng letter E. So dapat, yung answer natin diyan, letter B, CONH. But actually, yung answer po diyan dapat is carbon. So ayan, ito po yung electron configuration ng carbon. Ayan, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Ayan. So again po, CONH. Again, letter B, CONH, pa-screenshot po. Again, pa-screenshot po, ayan. Supposedly dapat carbon po yan siya, pero assuming na ano, carbon yan pero ano, hindi CONH yung nilagay or baka ano ng gano'n talaga yung nilagay ng PRC. So again, B, CONH po. Again, letter B, CONH. Ayan. O sige, pag-pray po natin 'yan, Sir John Ria. Sana Ma'am Salet, malaki din score at rating namin. Of course 'yan, ano natin 'yan. Sige, okay, proceed po tayo. Manifest po natin 'yan. Of course, dapat talaga mag-study po din kayo, ayan. Sige, the two waste products of the citric acid cycle are blank. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? The two waste products of the citric acid cycle are blank. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds to comment down your comment down your answers. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Alright, sige, 'pag two waste products ng citric acid cycle, tandaan po, that's letter B, water and carbon dioxide. And water and carbon dioxide. Ang citric acid cycle, ito yan siya ng respiration, no? We have the glycolysis, aerobic oxidation, or tawag cycle or citric acid cycle. Phosphorus. Ayan siya. Pwede po dadaan to po ng citric acid cycle na part sa respiration, that's water and carbon dioxide. Letter B, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, ito. Modern taxonomy is to Carolus Linnaeus, as ancient taxonomy is to... Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Kindly comment your answers po. Ayan. 2, 1. Alright. Sige, tandaan po, 'pag modern taxonomy, 'di ba na-mention ko kanina, we have Carolus or Carol Linnaeus, kasi yan yung ginamit ng PRC. 'Pag ancient taxonomy or classical taxonomy, that is letter D, Aristotle. Again, letter D, Aristotle. So ito yung kay Carolus Linnaeus, yung domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Pero yung kay Aristotle, i-classify niya yung living things based on whether it's plants or animals. Ayan. So ito yung classification ni Aristotle. Tandaan po, 'pag classical or traditional or yung traditional taxonomy or classical taxonomy, we have Aristotle or ancient taxonomy. The father of ancient taxonomy, Aristotle. Okay, ito. For this item, ito, society determines on what scientific and technological projects its resources should be spent, and vice versa, science and technology contribute modern products and process to society. Such relationship described as blank. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Kindly comment down your answers po. Ayan. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright. So in this case, syempre vice versa. So therefore, ang sagot po natin dito, reciprocal. Meaning may reciprocation po yung society at the same time yung science at saka technology. Nakaka-benefit po yung society sa SciTech, nakaka-benefit din naman po yung SciTech sa society. So therefore, reciprocation. May reciprocation or may reciprocal po. Ang tamang sagot, letter D. Alright, ito for the last item. An atom of silicon has a mass number of 28 and an atomic number of 14. How many protons are in this atom? So ano kaya ang tamang sagot for this one? Okay, I will give you 10 seconds po to ano, comment down your answer po. Ayan, okey ano kaya ang tamang sagot dito? Okay, alright, sige. Okay, again, yung mass number niya 28, atomic number is 14. So, ilan daw yung protons? Take note 'pag kung ano yung atomic number, yan po it represents the number of protons. So, ilan yung atomic number natin? That is 40. So, therefore, yung protons, the number of protons is 40. Tandaan, letter D po ang isagot natin. Yung mass number kasi, that's actually the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Pero in this case, protons yung hinahanap. So, kapag atomic number, that's equivalent to the number of protons. So again po, ang isagot po natin dito, that's letter D, 40. Alright, thank you so much for your attention and for your participation, everyone. Ayan, maraming maraming salamat po, mga future LPTs and top-notchers po mula sa TCRC. Ayan, naka-learn, may na-learn ba kayo ngayon for our session? May na-learn ba kayo? Ayan, thank you very much po for your time. Maraming 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 salamat po. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, very good LPT this 2024. Ipag-pray po natin yan siya no, na mataas po yung rating ng ating mga reviewees mula sa TCRC. And thank you very much din po sa inyong time. Thank you po. Thank you very much. Ayan, alright. Sige po, maraming maraming salamat po sa inyong time 'no, sa attention ninyo, for listening attentively and for your participation. Nakita ko po talaga nagsobra yung energy ng ating mga future LPTs and top notchers, alright? Thank you everyone po. I hope po na nakaintindi po kayo sa aking discussion for tonight, alright? Ayan, so LPT na this po, LPT na tayong lahat this 2024, ayan. Ipag-pray po natin yan siya and study po talaga, wag okey po. Again